Good morning everyone. Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys. I know I have been missing in action, guys, but please forgive me. Life has just been busy, guys. Today I'm actually gonna show you how I meal prep these days because I don't really cook like before, guys, so there's not really much content for me to show you guys. Excuse these messes. Are clean ways that I turned on over there. Here, guys, I just blend up some ginger, garlic and sweet pepper in my food processor. I'm about to cook quickly, guys, so I'm taking you through with me. Here, guys, I already have my, this is actually lamb chop, guys. I was planning to bake it, but then I chose not to. I'm gonna strew it down. And in my bag here, guys, excuse the liquid drain out there because I had it tearing out overnight, is my chicken that I season, guys. So I pre-season the meats and I put them in the freezer, so when I'm ready to cook, just take them down, tar them down and start. Okay, excuse all the mess, guys. I'm really rushing now. Here I have my two pots. This one is on already and it's heated, so I need to get started. And this one is where I'm gonna cook the chicken into. I'm gonna do curry chicken and I'm gonna do the stew lamb chops, guys.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, or nothing at all. Hold these doubts like the playing cards close to my chest. Turn them round for the river and hope it's something that I won't regret. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. Oh, oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing.
Breakfast, so that is where you see that frying pan there. So now I'm adding water to the chicken. Ooh, ow, ow. Alright, guys, so I'm going to cover this and we're going to let it cook. And when it's about halfway done cooking, we're going to come back and add our flavorings to that, guys. Okay, we're going to cover it there. The lamb, guys. Ooh. Yeah, the lamb, guys, has, look at down here, guys. Look at all the liquid the lamb produced, guys. See all the liquid? So we're going to add water to this now again too. This is just garlic, cook for like say 10-15 minutes. And then it's produce its own juices. Then you add the liquid. Alright. Now guys, I'm doing this with one hand because while my son was there, guys, I didn't want the ring light to be in our way. So I'm just holding this by hand. So I can cover this now and let it cook and come back and flavor when it's ready. Time to get flavor. So as you can see, the water has reduced a lot, so we need more liquid there, because we, as you guys know in my videos, we Caribbean people love gravy. Well, my household love gravy, and when we come up and mommy showing them how to cook, we want the gravy for wherever we choose to eat it with. We want the gravy. Okay, as you can see, the chicken curried down nicely there. So to this now, all we're gonna do is flavor it, guys. Remember, it already seasoned, so what I just do for extra flavor is add my parsley. If you have fresh, you could add that. I do have fresh, but guys, I don't feel like going outside right now to pick the fresh one. And of course we can add Maggi. Now guys, you see this tube thing of Maggi can last me 2 months, guys, because all I just do is add half depending on what I'm cooking. I only add half. So in my stews, because the chicken was already seasoned and well seasoned and was in the freezer, I don't have to add a lot of things. So I can add half of this to this, and the other half will go towards the lamb. Alright. And I'm gonna add some ketchup. Now guys, to add tomato paste, which I kind of prefer, but I don't have any. Wait, do I? Oh yes, I do. I forgot, guys, that I had bought one here, so I got cut out here now to add some to it. So as you said, I add a lot of ketchup, so then cut out.
Crowded places, feel it sinking in. Lonely faces, say you need a friend. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibition, I'll show you again. You've been lost and alone in the city lights at night.
Quick hack, guys. Now you know when you open your can of tomato paste and you're not using it right away, after a few days, if you put this in the fridge, it's gonna start turning mold at the top. So in order for your paste not to go bad on you, this is what I just do. Okay, I will use a small spoon and I will take out some dollops like this. Or if, because this spooning and hold on in the, guys, so I use a small one. But if you're using a bigger container, you could use a bigger spoon. And I just drop them like this on a plate. Alright guys, so back to my chicken. Now I end up tasting it just now and it needed salt, so I already added some salt, and I'm actually adding the other half of the Maggi into it guys, because to me it needed a little bit more to it. So I'm adding the rest of the Maggi, and that should complete this guys. So we're going to go load on the stove now, and we're going to let this gravy come in. Can you see the gravy a bit runny? So we're going to load on the stove little and let it come together, but that will be it for that. I don't think that will need no more seasoning. Alright guys, so time to deal with this now. So seeing I add the whole Maggi in there, I'm going to add whole Maggi in this as well.
Getting hot, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know, but I will guide you home.
Very sturdy, they're very hard guys, and that thing I love about it, and it's perfect size for my family for when I do the meats. So guys, I have the red, and I make sure different lids. So the red will be for the chicken, the green will be for, sorry guys, the green for the chicken, the red for meats, and the black for fish. So sometimes if I don't do fish, I will do like a bean stew. So we just, the black will just do for the beans or the fish. This one guys, I bought for like if I cook rice or pasta, and I will cook them in abundance, and we just have it in here and put it in the freezer, and when we're ready for them now, we just take it down and do like a stir fry rice, a fried rice, or a stir fry pasta or anything. So this bowl I bought for that purpose, but today I'm not doing any rice or anything like that because I already know what I am doing. So the rice that I'm cooking today gonna last me for today, tomorrow, Tuesday and Wednesday. So that will just go in the bottom of the fridge. So that will be going in this bowl, and it will put in the bottom of the fridge for that purpose. So these guys, and these, look at the prices for these. This one was for $7.95 guys. I bought these at Paradise, and they still have them guys, because I went in there up to yesterday, and they still have guys, and the prices are still the same. I bought these last month guys. These are stirrable guys. Look, I bend in it and it's hard, and for the price, for this price, not bad, very good price. So that was for $7 something guys. These ones I think was for $10, right? These square ones is for $9.95, round it off $10, and I got me 3 of them, and they come with the lids. They come with the lids. This circle one also come with a lid. You have the circular lid. So yeah guys, I bought those. This I bought for $5 guys. This is to put in the fridge guys, because to organize it a little bit when I have the fruits. Yeah, I needed it to put the fruits in that we're gonna eat for the week. We just have them here. When the kids ready, just take up, do what they want with the fruits. That is for that, for keeping the fridge. And yeah, So that's that, guys. Oh, and also I bought this, guys. I always wanted one of these. This was for $40, so I got me it, guys. This is just a chopping. It comes with the different compartments. Ooh. Okay, it comes with different compartments, guys. I don't really eat bread too often. I do still eat it, but not too often. So I really wanted this, guys, because of this part here, to, you know, do like hash browns and so I could just chop down the hash brown and so, guys. So it comes with all the different compartments. This is for if you're grating anything, you can use it. You got the different, it comes with all the different compartments, guys. This is for grating. It comes with all of them, guys. So I have them in here. And these ones is for chopping, guys. So if I want fine potatoes, I could use this. Onions, use this. If I want the bigger side, I could use this. And this is to go back there, guys. This is for if I want to squeeze lemon juice or anything, so I could use this. So, guys, I have been seeing them all over, and I really wanted to try. So I finally got me this so that I can do my hash brown with very easily without having to cut. I could just choop fast and go. So this was just a investment tool for me. So I splurged the moment. Okay, so yeah, guys. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna wash these so that I can put the meat into. Yeah. Rice. So this rice here you can carry only for today, it look like. So tomorrow now we'll just do some fresh rice. Yeah, we'll do some fresh plain rice or some veg rice tomorrow, and that will carry for the Tuesday and Wednesday. But this could only be enough for us for today. And I did some vegetables right here, guys. I end up on, forget it, kind of burn, but it's still alright. So that going to be